Practice English listening. A trip to the library. It's a quiet Thursday afternoon, and Emma is excited about her trip to the library. She loves reading and discovering new books. The library is one of her favorite places because it's filled with endless stories and adventures just waiting to be explored. Are you ready to go to the library, Emma? Her mom asks, holding her car keys. Yes, Mom. I can't wait to find some new books to read, Emma replies, grabbing her library card and putting it in her pocket. They get in the car and drive to the library. On the way, Emma talks about all the books she hopes to find. I want to borrow a book about space and another one about animals, she says excitedly. Her mom smiles. That sounds great, Emma. The library has so many wonderful books to choose from. I'm sure you'll find exactly what you're looking for. When they arrive at the library, Emma sees the tall building with big glass windows. She loves the way it looks so quiet and peaceful. As they walk inside, she takes a deep breath, enjoying the smell of books and the soft hum of people talking quietly. Remember to use your quiet voice in the library, okay? Her mom reminds her. I will, Mom, Emma whispers, nodding. Emma heads straight to the children's section, where there are rows and rows of colorful books. She sees a few kids sitting at small tables, reading and drawing. Emma walks up to a shelf and starts browsing through the books. She picks up a book about space with a shiny cover that shows a rocket flying through the stars. This one looks perfect, she thinks. She adds it to her growing stack of books. Next, Emma finds a book about animals with big, colorful pictures of lions, elephants, and penguins. She flips through the pages, looking at all the different animals. I definitely want to read this one, she says softly to herself, placing it on top of her stack. As she continues to explore, Emma finds a book about fairy tales, another about dinosaurs, and one more about a young detective solving mysteries. She feels happy to have found so many interesting books. Looks like you found some great books, Emma, her mom says, walking over with a book of her own. Yeah, I can't wait to read them all, Emma replies, smiling at her mom. Let's go check them out, her mom suggests, leading the way to the front desk. At the desk, a friendly librarian greets them. Hello, are you ready to check out these books? She asks. Yes, please, Emma says, handing over her library card. The librarian scans each book and places them in a bag. Here you go, Emma. Enjoy your reading, she says with a warm smile. Thank you, Emma replies happily, taking the bag of books. As they leave the library, Emma feels excited about all the new stories she will get to read. Can we come back next week, Mom? She asks. Of course, Emma. We can come to the library whenever you like, her mom replies. On the way home, Emma talks about all the books she chose. I think I'm going to read the space book first, she says. I want to learn about the planets and stars. That sounds like a great choice, her mom says. Reading is such a wonderful way to learn new things and go on adventures, even without leaving home. Emma nods. I know. Books are the best. When they get home, Emma goes straight to her room and takes out the space book. She sits on her bed and starts reading. The pages are filled with pictures of planets, rockets, and astronauts floating in space. Emma feels like she is on a journey through the stars. As she reads, she imagines herself as an astronaut, exploring new worlds and discovering amazing things. She loves how books can take her to places she's never been before. Later that evening, her mom peeks into her room. How's the reading going, Emma? She asks. It's amazing, Mom. I've learned so much about space already, Emma replies, her eyes wide with excitement. I'm glad you're enjoying your books, her mom says, smiling. Remember, there are plenty more books at the library whenever you're ready for a new adventure. Emma nods. I know, Mom. I can't wait to go back and find more stories. As she continues reading, Emma feels grateful for her trip to the library. She knows that as long as there are books, she will always have a world of adventures waiting for her.